start. The concern for reformation of prisoners and improvement of prison conditions has been judicially recognized full stop, but the same does not countenance code holding of darbars in prison by prisoners unquote, comma, code 5-star hotel comforts for prisoners unquote or code free entry to and exit from jail unquote as surface in these cases, comma, that too by statements of admission marked by abashed inefficiency unbecoming of those who are ordained to strictly carry out their duties and responsibilities, that is state of jail authorities and the highly placed governmental functionaries, full stop. The Bombay High Court, while dealing with the legality of order directing detention of one Arun Gavali, in bracket hereinafter referred to as code detenu unquote, gave certain directions, comma, to be noted hereinafter, full stop para. These three appeals are interlinked and have their matrix to the impugned judgment by a division bench of the Bombay High Court, full stop. The High Court, in addition to quashing of order of detention, gave the following directions, quote para code: the state government is directed to launch prosecution against S oblique Shri D.M. Jadhav, M.G. Ghorpade and L.T. Samudrawar and other jail officials, in case, if any, for the offence punishable under sections 120 capital B, 217 and 218 of the Indian Penal Code, and also under any other relevant provision of law, either independently or in the prosecution pending against the detenu, full stop. Para. Shri P. Subramaniam, additional chief secretary within bracket home, Shri S.C. Malhotra, commissioner of police, Mumbai, and Shri M.G. Narvain, Inspector General of Prisons, Pune, shall pay exemplary costs of rupees 25,000 each. Para. S oblique Shri D.M. Jadhav, M.G. Ghorpade and L.T. Samudrawar, superintendents of jail, full stop, shall pay exemplary cost of rupees 15,000 each, full stop para. The government of Maharashtra shall deposit the entire exemplary costs payable by these officers as indicated in this court within a period of 10 days, and the state government shall thereafter recover the costs so paid from the respective officials, in accordance with law, full stop para. The government shall pay, by way of remuneration, rupees 5,000 to Shri W.G. Charde, advocate, who acted as an amicus curiae, within a period of 10 days, full stop, unquote, para. Detenu. Detenu's wife, Asha Gavali, filed a writ petition questioning legality of the order of detention passed under Section 3 of the National Security Act, 1980, in bracket, in short, quote, the act, unquote, full stop. The directions were given while, as noted above, quashing the detention, taking note of certain baffling fact situations which came to light while hearing the writ petition and which should sound as code nightmares, unquote, to any law abiding citizen and law enforcing authorities, full stop. While the state of Maharashtra questions the directions relating to launching of prosecution, the other two appeals, that is criminal appeal number 286 of 1998, has been filed by Mr. P. Subramaniam, who was then functioning as chief secretary, in bracket home, and criminal appeal number 285 of 1998 has been filed by Mr. Mahadu Govindrao Narvane, who was then functioning as Inspector General of Prisons, full stop. Though the judgment has been assailed by the state of Maharashtra, no separate appeal has been filed by Mr. S.C. Malhotra, Commissioner of Police, Mumbai, Mr. D.M. Jadhav, Mr. M.G. Ghorpade and Mr. L.T. Samudrawar, who were acting as superintendents of jail, though The directions given by the High Court also related to them. Stop.